Complete Web Development Basics. This notebook is a beginner-friendly guide to learning the fundamentals of web development. We will cover HTML, CSS, and an introduction to JavaScript with examples and explanations. Importance of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in web development. HTML Hypertext Markup Language Structure. HTML is the foundation of every web page. It provides a basic structure using elements like h1, image, etc. It allows you to organize content into headings, paragraphs, images, forms, and more. Examples: h1, welcome to my website. This is a simple paragraph. Without HTML, there would be no content to display on a web page. 2. CSS Cascading Styles Sheet Styling. CSS is used to design and style the structure built with HTML. It controls the look and feel, including colors, fonts, layouts, margins, and responsiveness. CSS makes the page visually appealing and user-friendly. Example: h1, color blue, font family Arial. Without CSS, websites would look plain and unstyled. JavaScript interactivity. JavaScript adds functionality and interactivity to web pages. It allows you to create dynamic behavior such as sliders, form validation, pop-ups, and animations. It also enables communication with servers via APIs and controls the DOM, document object model. Example: document query selector h1 on click equal function. Alert you click the heading. Without JavaScript, websites would be static and boring with no user interactions. Summary table. Language role purpose. HTML structure defines content. CSS style makes it look good. JavaScript logic adds interaction together. These three technologies form the core of front-end web development. Without any one of them, websites would be incomplete. They work together to create modern, interactive, and visually attractive web experiences. Image 1, HTML, CSS, JavaScript layers. This image visual represents the relationship between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as layers of a web page. HTML is the structure of the web page, like the skeleton of a body. It contains elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, and buttons. CSS is the style and controls how the elements look, their color, sizes, layouts, and fonts. JavaScript adds behavior. It makes the page interactive, handling things like clicks, animations, and dynamic content updates. HTML structure, CSS style, JavaScript interaction. Image to website construction analogy. This image uses a construction analogy to explain how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together. HTML is like the frame or skeleton of a house. It defines the layout and the essential structure. CSS is like the paint, wallpaper, and interior design. It makes the house look attractive. JavaScript is like the electrical system and automation. It adds life and functionality, such as lights and doors that open automatically. This analogy helps beginners understand how each technology contributes to building a functional and attractive website. Image 3. HTML, CSS, JavaScript roles. This image presents the distinct roles of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a web project. HTML describes what content is on the page. CSS describes how the content looks. JavaScript describes what it does, how the page behaves when users interact with it. It clearly separates the responsibilities of each language, showing how they complement each other to create a complete web experiences. Visual Studio Code for web development. What's VS Code? VS Code is a free open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is lightweight, powerful, and widely used by web developers for building websites and apps. Why use VS Code for web development? Supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Boolean support for web languages. Syntax highlighting and autocomplete make coding easier and faster. List server extension instantly see your changes in the browser as you code. Great for real-time feedback while editing HTML, CSS, JavaScript files. Extensions marketplace, thousands of extensions for linting, formatting, themes, Git, and frameworks like React. Extensions marketplace, thousands of extensions for linting, formatting, themes, Git, and frameworks like React, Angular, etc. Integrated terminal, run terminal commands directly inside VS Code without switching apps. Git integration, easily track changes, commit and push to GitHub from the editor. Multi-file editing, split view, and tabbed interface make it easy to work with multiple lines. How to download and install VS Code? Go run the installer and follow the setup instructions. Once installed, launch VS Code. How to use VS Code for web development step by step. Open a folder, click File, open folder to open your project directory. Create files like index.html, style.css, and javascript.js. Install Live Server, click the extensions icons, search for Live Server and click install. Right click on index.html, open with Live Server, start coding. HTML for structure, CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactions. Changes you make are instantly reflected in your browser. Use terminal, open the terminal with Ctrl plus dash to run commands like npm, git, etc. Bonus tips: use shortcuts like Ctrl plus B show hide sidebar, Ctrl plus P quick file search, embed support type ul li times 3 and press tab to expand into HTML. Conclusion: VS Code is one of the best tools for learning and building web projects. It's beginner friendly, highly customizable, and works with all major web technologies. Whether you are writing basic HTML or building full stack apps, VS Code will help you work efficiently and effectively. creating and using files in VS Code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. VS Code makes it very simple to create and work with multiple types of files such as index.html for website structure, style.css for styling the website, index.js for JavaScript functionality, app.py for backend development using Python, like Flask. Step by step how to create and use files in VS Code. Open or create a project folder, open VS Code. Go to file, open folder. This is where all your project files will be stored. Create index.html, right click on the folder, new file, name it index.html, add your basic HTML boilerplate code. The HTML file is linked to style.css CSS and index.js automatically using create style CSS, right click new file, name it style CSS and styles for example. CSS will automatically apply to your HTML if properly linked. Create index.js, right click new file, name it index.js, add interactivity with JavaScript for example. JavaScript will now run when you click the h1 tag. Optional create app summary. In VS Code you can create index.html, style CSS and index.js in seconds. Easily connect them and build a full interactive frontend. Use app.py to add backend logic with Python. Flask library. See your project in the browser and terminal without leaving the editor. VS Code helps you write, test and run everything from one place, which is why it's the top choice for web developers.